MHC Kenworth, Denver, Colorado. The world's best in new and used trucks. MHC Denver has a batch of beautiful 2016 Kenworth T680s. Come and take one of them. They are 455 horsepower, 13 speeds with 76-inch double bunks. This particular truck, and it's all white, sits at 377,000 on the miles, and this truck is equipped with a Bendix collision mitigation system. Remaining warranties are available. Here are your tires, 22.5 LPs with all aluminum wheels. We polished them up real nice for you. This truck is equipped with dual 120-gallon fuel tanks and a bulletproof engine, a PACCAR MX-13 with that 13-speed transmission. Here's a look inside. These trucks were very well maintained before coming to the lot. The dash, it shines like new with all the gauges and switches, and you've got a sleeper with lots of room and storage and a Thermo King APU. You've got high back, air ride seats for comfort. If you want this truck, a 2016 Kenworth T680, call MHC Denver today at 866-539-9672.